When it comes to weight loss, the best diet plan is one that's sustainable and enjoyable. Focus on whole foods. Think colorful fruits, vibrant vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are not only nutrient-dense, but also keep you feeling full longer. Portion control is key. It's about balance, not deprivation. Try the plate method. Fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Hydration is crucial too. Sometimes we confuse thirst with hunger. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Don't forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil can actually help you feel satisfied. And remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. The goal is progress, not perfection. Lastly, listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. This mindful approach can transform your relationship with food and make weight loss feel less like a chore and more like a lifestyle.